Paisi mapasama wala acerca de ku KVK. Kung invitami pa exponemi arte din KVK pa mo aya. So nata approach mas tanto local artists pa ng expose their work. We said, wow, great. That's a big honor pa mi hasi. And me that excited pa siya. There's something I would want to do, definitely. So, all ma kung sa prepara, kasama mi miss, inguse pájaro ng parrots, iguanas, you know, everything natural, nature. Minata echt van die portraits of so, but if I do a portrait, I'm stando e Katrina ng a walkie matris in jangta, mi dilanti. The echt color. I like to see a lot of color. And manebo babisa nang first important thing on an art piece, on anything, animal, bird, or anything, is the eyes. The eyes got to really grab you. Once the eyes grab you, that's it, you know. Then from there you work your way out the design. Say sempre ko kumisa kay wo. I always enjoyed art desde the umitado by creator school. So pahine, you know, enjoy it now, appreciate it, you know, give it its value. It's great, and I'll keep on doing it as long as I live, I guess. Kung may po mi to sige asya, not kung meeting goals in life. Goals in life for everybody is always to become a better artist, but yeah, what is a better artist? My biggest competition man is sempre mabisa tamimis. If I can outdo myself, challenge myself, and get better, that's it. That's my goal, you know. Buting miles artistas na riba in mundo, but everybody has their own unique style. So it's very difficult pabo who's better than who, you know what I'm saying? I think. Ami de que sempre sigui, sempre tem paciência. Não lang you hindi put you down, hold you back. Sempre queda vai dilante. I'm still learning as I go, you know. There's always algo pabosinha como artista. Algo novo, algo anything. And it's good. It makes you a broader, artista, no? In every direction.